Welcome everyone. Bienvenidos to my channel, La Cocina Abierta. It's pretty warm outside and I want to prepare an easy meal that won't require me to be in the kitchen over a hot stove for a long period of time. So what better way to enjoy the summer weather by making cold shrimp soup, also known as Coctel de Camaron. Let's get to it. So the ingredients that we're going to use today are going to be shrimp, fish balls, which you can find these pretty much in any Asian market, garlic cloves, salt, cucumber, pico de gallo, avocado, lime juice, ketchup, tortilla chips, or saltine crackers. Another item you can add to this soup is pieces of octopus. It gives a firm, meaty texture which blends well with these ingredients. So here I have a pot which I have already added the garlic and salt, and I also brought to a boil. I am now ready to add the shrimp into the hot water, and I'm going to wait until the shrimp turns pink. If left for a long period of time cooking, it will overcook and turn the shrimp firm and rubbery. That's not what we want. I also turned the flame off, and now I am adding the fish balls. They are already pre-cooked and I just want them to warm up a bit. Once I added the fish balls, I let the soup cool down just enough to safely put in the refrigerator for about 40 minutes to an hour. So here it is, plated, and now I'm ready to put my condiments. First, I'm going to add my cucumber. Then I am going to add lots of pico de gallo, some avocado, lots of ketchup, and I can't forget about my favorite hot sauce. Finally, fresh squeezed lemon juice, just enough to make the sides of your jaw tingle. My mouth just waters thinking about it. Now we just mix it all up and incorporate all those flavors so it can become one. Here you have it, a simple, refreshing meal you can prepare, full of color, flavor, and textures. This can also be accompanied by your favorite tortilla chips like I did. Or you can just simply have it with some saltine crackers. I hope you guys give this easy recipe a try. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click on the like button. Thanks for watching, and until next time, buen provecho.